We are showing you this house and lot for sale, located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property is priced at 28 million pesos. It has a lot area of 215 square meters, floor area of 293 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, swimming pool, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. You are lucky because you'll be one of those na unang makakita ng property na to. So this property is so amazing. Look at that facade. Mixture of concrete design, black and wood design. It's situated on a corner lot. Ayan, very nice yung location niya because this one is located just by the guardhouse. So, additional security. Now, ang ganda nung kanyang bakod oh. It's not too high. These black gates adds to the modern and somewhat industrial design. So this is your 2-car carport right here. And then your pedestrian gate. So imagine guys, once na landscape itong front na to, very nice. By the way guys, the house is nearing completion kaya may mga makikita pa kayong mga construction stuffs dito. So excuse na lang. So let's go through here. The pedestrian gate. So on the street level, you step up. We have this porch area right here. To my left, this is your pool and your pump room. Ayan, dito ila-landscape pa ito. And to my right, this is your 2-car carport, which is very good size kasi it can accommodate even the big vans kasi tall siya and wide. Now we have our outlets there and our faucet right there. Very nice. This is the access to the service area. Later iikot tayo dyan. Okay? Ang ganda ng layout ng house. Guys, ma-appreciate nyo to. So the porch area, very nice. Wide. Meron ba tayo ditong provision if you want to have plants right here? That's good, no? Double wooden door with metal handles and smart lock. Okay, come in. So welcome. Upon entry, meron tayong open living space dito. So this will be your living area. Ang ganda rin ng accent dun sa ating ceiling. You have a console right here. Window and installed na po yung ating air conditioning which is branded Daikin. This door is your powder room. Meron tayo ditong sink and toilet which are accessible if you have guests. So, dito yung living, nandyan na agad siya. Then, this will be your dining area. Right here. Kasya dito kahit mga 8-seater dining table. Interesting wall design. Ang ganda ng mga panels na ginamit nila. Ito mukhang stucco. Ito naman parang textured concrete. We have these open shelves here. Dito sa ating main kitchen. We have our oven. Dito provision for microwave. We have storage. And this center island that has more storage underneath. May drawers din tayo dito, which are soft closing. Nice. Countertop right here. Ito na yung ating range hood. The sink is here. Open shelves. And this area is your 2-door refrigerator with, of course, you have a space right here for your groceries and other stuffs. Now, this door leads to the service area. So you have a counter right here, sink, then provision for your washer here because meron tayong faucet and power supply dyan. And of course, yung drain natin. And this leads out to your two-car carport. This room is your staff room. Very good size staff room. Meron tayong window for natural light and ventilation, and they have their own toilet and bath. Sink, toilet, and shower. Really nice. And I appreciate the fact na meron tayong storage din dito sa taas. So for your daily needs, nandyan lang siya. Okay, let's go back in and take one more look sa ating beautiful kitchen. Ang neat ng countertop natin, no? Your dining area and your living area. Ikot tayong paganto. Para makita nyo yung layout. Okay, from inside, ang ganda rin ng door. Diba? Tapos this sliding door opens up to your pool area, which is very good size. Swimming pool talaga siya. We have these steps going down. And of course, meron tayong water feature doon, fountain, for more relaxing effect. No? Really nice. Now, we have a room right here. Let me check kung open siya. No. Ikot tayo. Ito, flexible room to. Pwede nyo gawing office or study or guest room. It's up to you. We have, the bed can go right here. We have our air conditioning. Ang ganda rin ng ating built-ins, guys. Check this out, to. Ang ganda nung finish niya. May mga racks, open shelves, and it has its own toilet and bath that has its sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower. Ito for installation pa. Really nice. Then, this door opens up, once again, to the swimming pool. So imagine waking up to this pool. Ganda. Plus, we have this screen door. If you want to keep it ventilated or open, protected tayo sa mga insects. Yeah. Nice. Now going to the second floor, we have these wooden planks as our stairs, wood handrail, and metal and glass support. Really nice details sa ating wall. Then meron din siyang LED light para siyang cove style. Upon landing, we have a hallway here. But first, let us check this door right here because this is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, really nice space. Bed will go right here. We have our built-in cabinets over here. Then, what I like about it is meron siyang console dito plus itong vanity na may outlet. We have our air conditioning installed. And these windows that lets in so much light. Napakaganda. Okay? Behind this door is our toilet and bath. So all the rooms in this house has their ensuite toilet and bath, sink, toilet, and enclosed shower, which has this parang piano type na buttons dito for your shower and your shampoo niche. Then going out, back to the hallway. Ang ganda talaga ng wall. Check it out. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, slightly larger than the first bedroom. Bed will go right here. We have this console and a vanity, built-in cabinet, air conditioning. We have ito, parang door siya that can be opened. Then we have, of course, our ensuite toilet and bath. Sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and our ventilation window right there. Also notice guys, the flooring is wooden design, pero tile siya. So it's easier to maintain. Let's now go to this room, the bedroom number 3. Big windows. This is facing the front of the house. Your bed will go right here. Console and vanity right here. Built-in cabinets which are really, ang ganda ng finish. Oh. Really nice. And ensuite, toilet and bath, sink, toilet, and enclosed shower. What I'm super excited to show you is the master bedroom. Let's go. Welcome to the master bedroom. Upon entry, enormous amount of space right here. Corner window, cove lighting. We have this vanity or study, depends on how you want to use it. This is your console for your entertainment. We have a space dito sa corner, which is a good sitting spot. For me, pwede itong sitting area. May view tayo nung corner natin. Like I said, the guardhouse is just right there. Very nice location. Bed will go right here. We have outlets on either side. Ang ganda rin ng details sa wall dito. Built-ins. Open shelves. Dito pwede pa nga ito itong desk ko. Plus this walk-in na may open shelves, drawers, and vanity. So I think yung dun sa bedroom, study yon, ito na yung official vanity. Then we have this barn door that leads to our master bathroom. So you have a sink, our toilet, and our spacious enclosed shower over here. Really good size. Now let's do the recap.
This property is priced at 28 million pesos. It has a lot area of 215 square meters, floor area of 293 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, swimming pool, and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.